Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spotted puff right. J for peace. Drop the dot and now we plot. Beside the peace. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president. Count presidents. Push a Portuguese on her knees. Mopping down the P. She let me squeeze and she leave. Cause she keep the P. Privacy, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah.
Trying to record y'all real quick. This is some issues. I was thinking like this might be something I should record. This is some issue that I could have. The chipping right here, but the dash got bead nuts that go through these holes and they get tightened up on the backside, so that chipping ain't gonna matter. And then I was thinking the same thing with this cracking. Cut the light on, hold on. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing with the cracking right there. But from the way it is, shouldn't be no issues. Alright, and then I forgot if a speed nut here, but I can check. And I know that's a bolt. I'm hoping that I could feel all of this. When I spray it, I'm gonna do like three coats. Cause I don't have no time for no primer to dry right now. Especially primer, you gotta wait a couple hours for it to do its thing. Or this could happen. And I don't got no time to spray no primer. So we're gonna put as many coats as we can in those heavy chip areas. But it's gonna sand away. Gonna get my mask, mix the paint back up, and then clean the gun. I'm gonna spray it again. I'll cut my music back on, put the phone back on the stand.
Perfect.
Man, I'll be trying to tell y'all, if everything could go perfect, it won't. It was too cold in here, and I was spraying it too heavy. Shit started running, so I heated it up. I was about to try to make it dry a little faster before it ran too far, and it heated up the coat that was under there. It heated up everything. I was like, what the hell? I ain't never seen no one. So I just let it dry, let it harden. Come out tomorrow, I'ma sand it, and then gonna make it happen. But I gotta clean the gun. This is my only gun.
The next day.
What's going on, y'all? It's the next day. Man, gotta go get the heater, get my hitch, so I can put the heater on the hitch, strap it down, or bungee cord it down. That's what I did last time. I had no issues, so I'm gonna do that again. Just wanna make it dry faster, cause I'm trying to get back over there tonight. I was planning on going over there about 7 in the morning, but I had stayed up last night editing. What I'm looking for, I got an interface pad. Basically, it's a little spongy pad that go, here you go. Go between the DA and the sandpaper. Let me see what grit this is. I just need something like a 320. Let me get that, and a couple more 320s. So I can see it smooth, paint it over. Alright, I found the key for it. Well, the wrench for it. I'm trying to make all the other stuff work, but I ended up finding it. Barely ever change it. So, got that. Got my sandpaper. I'm gonna get my heater and my winch put on my truck and my hitch. Take my garbage out to his pickup tomorrow. Trash cans out. Alright, I'm gonna go vote, go to Upholstery, and then knock the paint out. So tonight we should go and start wrapping up on the car. Alright, y'all, I'm finally ready, man. I brought on the heat, get it pumping in here. Definitely a whole lot warmer than it was yesterday. Fix it. So yeah, it's 70. It just cut off at 70. That means it's 70 inside. Yesterday it was definitely 50s. 50 something. Man, the detail going actually did a real good job of respraying the area. like it. It's a whole lot less overspray, a whole lot less material. It's a whole lot less going on, period. But it's kind of dry enough. I'm about to start unmasking, unwrapping, and start getting everything put in. Alright, we in there, man. I'm finna start unmasking. I don't see no overspray or nothing in the air, but I'm gonna open the door in about 5 minutes. Cut the heat off, open the door 5 minutes, start putting the car back together. Alright, we back, man. I was about to go, but I said I'm gonna stay here another 30 minutes. I got the fuse connected. About to make sure the alternator charging, and I'm gonna see if it dropped. Ain't no lights to see if it dim. And I ain't trying to take the gauges apart to hook it up to see. But carpet in, the dash is good now. I just set the seat right there, but I still gotta modify the other quarter pod before I get all that in. I got the steamer set up. Check the instructions, make sure I got it like it's supposed to go. But rolling down here, man, just got to kick panels, dash, quarter pods, bolt the console to the floor, bolt the seats down, then all the little pieces. I got it in my notes, screw all these panels down, and make sure everything is secure. But about to see what it do now that the car running and the alternator has been upgraded to a high output, 220 I think he said. So to see what it's doing as far as voltage, and then I'm gonna see if I need to bring my charger too also. But like I say, all this gotta get finished, probably about an hour and some change of work to get that together. You're gonna straighten that carpet out. I'm hoping I can finish the whole rest of the car today, but who knows.